Bezos. Oh, here's a quick tip for you. Jeff Bezos, two pizza rule. If you have a team and two pizzas can't feed that team, your team's too big, it needs to shrink down, which I think is true. With our upper management and our biggest company, I try and keep it smaller, and it's just department heads, and then the department heads have meetings, because right now our monthly meetings they're, for me, it's too much, too many people, too much stuff going on. I really only want to talk to like 5 people, and they know exactly what's going on. And then from there, you can build relationships with people individually, and you need to show your people how to build relationships with them. Because now when you start getting to scale, at least for me, I can't know all of our employees. Like, there's legitimately not enough time in the day for me to know all our employees. As awful as that sounds, I don't know most of the people who work for us. That's awful, right? But if you want to quantify it by time, building a deep relationship with that person, it is kind of impossible. Yes, they still matter. Yes, they matter to our company. Yes, they matter to me. But how can we show them that the company still cares about them, and that's by their person above them, their manager or whatever, really cares about them. And the way we can show that the manager that way is that I still care about them. I show them that we still love them. I have deep, intimate conversations with them. What do they want? What are they trying to achieve? Where do you need to be? All that good stuff. Where's your family? How is your family doing? What is going on with you? Just talking to them. And if I can show them how I do that, and they can do it with everyone else, then we can keep our culture intact, which I think is, again, goes into your company culture and scaling and everything else. Still goes into leadership of how can you do it.